All right, YouTube, here's a Eride Pro SS. And you've seen this before. It's got the 1821 Luna wheels, fast ace forks, front and back, um, bar risers, foot pegs. But today, it's raining in LA and the weather's crappy. So we upgraded the brakes, 250 millimeter front and back. So this is what we got. The backs, they bolt right on, except for I had to put a little washer in there. It was just a little bit close, so I added one little washer in there. The thing about this, the swing arm on this Eride Pro SS is it's real tight. You got to bend it out to get these Luna Cycle wheels on. So it's really tight, really hard. You got to use a pry bar and stuff. I'm going to make a tool that I can spread these things out with, so I can just slip the wheel on, because it's a bitch. But I took it for a test ride, and this thing stops like, man, this thing locks the rear wheel up quick. Now the front, that's the bracket that came with the kit from eBay. It was like $220. Comes with the front and rear rotors and the brackets. But the front bracket didn't work at all. It wasn't even close. And maybe that's because of the fast ace forks. I don't know. So what I ended up with was I had this one spacer that I got just to try out. And this you can get on eBay. It's a 203 to 220 millimeter bracket. And I just used it because it has this part spanning across, just to beef up these things sticking out. And I made this little piece of stainless right here, and this is just stainless steel tubing. And so I'm probably going to TIG weld this little bracket across here to beef that up. And then I had to, of course, get longer bolts. I had to get 50 millimeter, 6 mil by 50 millimeter long bolts to get this thing to turn free. But yeah, she stops, man. It's a bitchin'. So that's a huge upgrade from the 220s, and should give me some more stopping power. I was out on the street, and it feels good. So I think I got to cut these rotors in, and it's going to be pretty awesome. So yeah, bike's coming along, but there it is, man. 250 millimeter brake rotors on an Eride Pro SS. I'm pretty sure I'm the first guy to do it, and you can do it too. So still got more to come, and we're gonna do a battery upgrade. So I'm trying to do a battery pack. There's a 20 amp hour, 72 volt, and that's gonna be a custom job when I redo the seat, and so that's coming up. That's gonna be crazy. You'll see that when it's done. All right, keep rolling.